how do I use it? Right. This is bloody tough. Oh my god. Everything on my desk is so secure. Now, I don't have a rolling pin, but I do have a 15mm knitting needle. Look at this little bum. Oh my god. That's what you get for trying to have fun. In this house there are no bad ideas. Now let's attempt to make this little guy some teeth for chomping. Chomp, 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 chomp. It's kind of looking a little bit goofy now, little goofy pumpkin, but I like it. I don't have thick wire, but I do have jewellery wire, which I'm going to use to attempt a sort of armature frame. Ah!
On your marks, get set.
It's overbaked.
My first bake did not go great. Yeah, so why is there moisture on it? I mean, it's solid.
Overbaked.
Same with this one.
Too much colour underneath.
Yeah.
You overbake them.
Doesn't look great, but I'm gonna roll with it. Oh god, it's cracked. It's cracked and it's smooshed. If you're wondering, I'm not very good at cooking either. First thing I'm actually going to do is take this foil out somehow. I'm voting that I'll break 2 teeth out of the 4. Place your bets. Oh. First thing in the morning, and I'm faced with disappointment and frustration. We move forward, we persevere.
Right, so I'm going to save you a lot of trouble and the trauma of watching this all through, mainly because it's really, really boring and literally took me almost 2 hours, and secondly because 95% of it is not in frame. I am sure there must be an easier way to do this, or some sort of trick like, I don't know, Vaseline, except not Vaseline, to help get it out properly, easily in like 2 minutes, but I don't know, and I did not know it then, and I haven't looked it up since because I'm scared that I was being really dumb. So we'll just skip past this bit, skip past my manic ramblings throughout this footage.
Oh, this guy needs a name! Some sort of pun on pumpkin. Pumpkin. That's not even a pun, that's just weak. It is pumpkin spice latte season, so spicy latte. No. Maybe I should just call him something basic like Bob.
Thank you for your patience and understanding.
I am so bloody bored. I'm done. It's just sparkly on the inside.
Merry Christmas.
Now let's figure out how to shove this in there.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, have I actually made it too big? What a disaster. We will make this work. We will. Wow, I can just shove his tongue in and it stays. Maybe that's just what I'll do. Maybe I'll paint them separately. That would be so much easier. This is such a happy accident.
Yeah, we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Right, let's neaten these up. I'm gonna need a little bit more of this. Add some eyes, add some lips. Oh, it just fits in his little teeths. Oh! This is actually really easy to cut. Should it be? Or did I mess up that as well, somehow? Blech! Sausage! He looks really goofy, I like it! Oh, so goofy! Some chapped lips, always good. Now, eyes. Oh, wonky eyes, yes. Oh, that makes him look so much more goofy. Do I want scary or do I want goofy? I think I want goofy. Oh, I kind of like that, you know. A bit wonky wonk. It would really help if I didn't have as long nails as I do. Oh, he looks like an old man. Like Abe Simpson. Okay, let's get him in the oven and... Spike! And not burn him. Hello. One more minute. Here we are, now then, off to the painting stage. Ooh, excuse me. Now I decided not to do a primer. Well, aside from laziness, apparently CosClay doesn't need it. Are you thirsty, sir? Ow. Slap it on some purple. It's time for a wash. Ew.
Ew, David.
I don't know what it is exactly that's made this effect, but I like it. Remember the crackled nail polish you used to get? I don't know if it's like the wet brown wash on top of the wet black wash, or the dodgy paint, or the brush, or it's not mixed properly, but I think it looks really cool. The final touch I'm going to do is try and add some saliva. And the thing I'm going to use is... I didn't have it ready! Oh my god, where is it? And the thing I'm going to use is Yoo-hoo. So of course I didn't come up with this trick myself, got it off the internet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now my fear is here that I'll get excited and overdo it. That is a very real possibility. That is something that I'll definitely do. Whoa! I left him alone for a bit and I started doing something else and whoops.